talking numbers and secret codes, manipulating in tens, early number systems. Babylon, Sumer, and Egypt, early number systems. Around 3000 BC, the Sumerians developed the earliest writing we know of, and with it, a base 60 number system. A particularly useful number, 60 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Working in base 60 gives number patterns different from our modern base 10 system. Their base 60 system survives today as our measurement of cycles and circles with 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour or degree, and 6 by 60 equals 360. Ancient Egyptian numerals were made of characters standing for 1, 10, 100, and so on. An example of Egyptian arithmetic is their method of multiplication, which uses repeated doubling followed by selective addition to find the answer. The ancient vision of number is a musical one in which every number inverts in the mirror of unity. 2 becomes a half, 3 becomes a third, and so on. In base 60, this reciprocation is especially beautiful as all multiples of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 become simple fractions. For example, 15 becomes a quarter. The Babylonians inherited and used this system to invoke their gods. Egyptian fractions used a mouth hieroglyph, while fractions of volume were represented using the Eye of Horus. Ancient Asia, manipulating in tens. In China, a written decimal system with 13 basic characters has been used for more than 3,000 years. Another particularly beautiful system of writing numbers is the Swanzi or Sanji rod notation, complete with a small zero, used in China, Japan, and Korea in some forms since at least 200 BC. Later, the famous Chinese abacus replaced rod numeral counting boards. The speed of its operators, particularly in the Far East, is legendary, and it is still in widespread use today. India has an ancient numerical tradition. Number is prominent in many of its scriptures, and Indian cosmology uses huge number rivaled today only by those of modern physics. Indian numerals originate with the Brahmin system of numerals, with 45 characters for the number 1 to 90,000. In time, the speculations of Indian mathematicians required a new system combining the first 9 number names with powers of 10. Rapid and elegant calculation techniques and the description of very large numbers resulted in some astonishing calculations. The zero also emerged to denote an empty decimal power without confusion. Indeed, it is from India that we received, via the Arabs, our modern decimal place value system.